This isn't a cool scar. It's Pochita's leash on a starving dog. Denji didn't get this scar. He sold his body to survive. The zipper. A contract to eat scraps forever. Every time he pulls the cord, he's not transforming. He's being skinned alive. Every scar on his body is a chapter no one read. Cut by Yakuza debt. Stitched by betrayal. Ripped apart and remade by devils. Again and again. His heart beats with chainsaws, but his soul, still that starving kid hugging Pochita in the dark. You see blood and guts, he sees survival. If this small channel made you feel Denji's pain, one like, one subscribe, one comment keeps it alive. Thank you for standing with us.